Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, if you like my reading then please like and subscribe my channel. Friends, let's see what is the next step of your partner and what is the current situation going on at present. Friends, at present your partner is trying very hard to come out of this rough situation which is going on in your partner's life. He or she is making every effort to come out of this situation, and at present your partner is feeling very nostalgic about his or her past, about past relationship. When Six of Cups cards comes out, the person thinks of returning back to the past partner or thinking about the past partner. Definitely your partner is thinking a lot about you at present, and there is no doubt in this. If you are having doubt whether your partner is thinking about you at present or not, then don't have any doubt, because your partner is thinking a lot about you, and partner is trying very hard to come out of the situation right now. Your partner at present is so clearly walking out of this relationship. At current relationship your partner is thinking of coming out of that relationship. If your partner is married to someone else, or if your partner is in a long term commitment with some other person, or your partner is with third party, your partner is walking out of that relationship. You can clearly see your partner is walking out, and your partner is clearly walking out of this relationship, and see that person, a third party, is looking at Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups, he or she is looking at the empty cups, and your partner is walking out of that relationship. And this person, the third party, is completely feeling helpless, as a partner is very stubborn and very sure what decision your person has made, because the emperor person, when they decides or whatever decision they make in life, they stick to their decision, and your partner has made that decision of coming out, because both the cards, Page of Wands and the Eight of Cups, clearly indicates a partner is not happy in the current situation with the current partner, and your partner is coming out of this situation, and he's praying very hard to come out of the situation, and your partner is thinking a lot about you at present, and there is no doubt about it. From the past, so many times you must have been waiting for this situation, or your partner have been waiting for the situation to change, and you have been waiting a long, but every time in the past the situation opportunity slipped from your hand. Your partner was just about to come, and every time your partner used to stop from coming back to you. But this situation, I think, will change in the future, because I see Ten of Pentacles, a happy family life for you and your partner. Your partner, I think, should take the upright. Now your partner will again single. He will come, maybe your partner, he or she, whoever is in a relationship, would be soon single, and he come out of this family life, I think, this way, because your partner is in a hangman position at present. Your partner is not happy in this current family scenario or family relationship, whatever he is having, he or she is having. Your partner is not happy with that situation, and your partner would be single soon. Now, Two of Swords, a partner is in a decision making process. He or she is thinking what they should do at present, and their partner is contemplating or thinking a lot about everything. And King of Wands is an action card, and your partner will take action, because the judgment card is coming next to the King of Wands. When Judgment card comes, the person gets awakening. That person realizes what is right for that person, and what is wrong, and who is the right person and who is the right partner for your person, because these angels are guiding your partner, and your partner is coming in awakening about your relationship with you, about his or her relationship with you, and about his current relationship also. So your partner is getting awakening. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I think that the waiting, there's not long waiting. If this would have been an upright, I would have thought that it would be a long waiting. But the waiting is getting over between you and your partner. The non-communication mode you have been for a long time is going to get over in future. And secretly your partner is planning something. Yeah. Secretly your partner is planning to have a love relationship with you in the future, and the future you can have a sexual relationship also with your partner. I feel this way because the Queen of Swords is directing me that you and your partner is going to be in this kind of relationship in future. This is future I am talking about. This is a wish fulfillment of your partner, and your partner wants this relationship with you. That this is for sure your partner. This is a wish fulfillment for your partner to be with you. But at present, the Moon card is coming. There is so many hidden things about your partner and your partner's current partner. Also, you will come to know in future. At present, you will come to know so many things about your partner's life, and everything will be coming to open. In open, it will come. Because your stars are favoring you and your partner is coming with this offer towards you. I can see that. Let's see what your partner is going through right now. At present, your partner is worried a lot. He must not be in a good health. At present, I can say that your partner is not in a good health. The things he or she was proud of has completely changed now. He or she doesn't feel any proud of that relationship he or she was with. The partner is not at all proud of that because it has come as in a reverse position, and your partner will be encouraged by his or her friend to move towards you in the future. Because he will be encouraged to move towards it, because he or she will get comfort with you only, and the third party will be envious of this and jealous about this. Your partner will have some court case or some kind of divorce proceedings with the third party. I can see that. Or if he is in a live-in relationship, then that relationship is also going to break because your partner is not happy at all with this relationship at present. And when your partner will come to you, you will feel like a sudden wealth has come in your life. You will feel this way. Hope friends, you have got some idea what your partner is feeling at present. Let's see what he's trying to tell you through his love. So all the cards are kept in the reverse position. True love, express your love and reconciliation. You can see that your partner is a true love for you. Your partner has realized that you are your true love. Express your love. Your partner will express his her love for you. This is sure because the reconciliation is coming for you and your partner. Reconciliation. You and your partner are going to reunite soon. Okay friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, please like and subscribe.